What is bed bugs? Bed bugs are small reddish brown parasitic insects that bite the exposed skin of sleeping human and animals to feed on their blood. Although bed bugs aren't known to spread disease, they can cause other public health and economic issues. About the size of an apple seed, bed bugs hide in the cracks and crevices of box springs, headboards, bed frames, and any other object around the bed. The risk of encountering bedbugs increases if you spend time in places with high turnover of nighttime guests, such as hotel, hospitals, or homeless shelter. If you have bedbug in your home, professional extermination is recommended. What are the symptoms? It can be difficult to distinguish bedbug bite from other insect bite or rashes. In general, the site of bedbug bite usually are red, open with darker red spot in the middle, itchy, arranged in a rough line or in a cluster, located on the face, neck, arm, or hand. Some people have no reaction to bed bug bites, while other experiences an allergic reaction that can include severe itching, blister, or hives. When to see the doctor? If you experience allergic reaction or severe skin reaction to bedbug bites, see your doctor for professional treatment. What are the causes? Bedbug infestation may be linked to increased international travel, changes in the pest control practices, insecticide resistance. Where do they hide? Bedbug infestation usually occur around or near where people sleep. They hide in the cracks and crevices of mattresses, box springs, bed frame, headboards, objects are cluttered near beds. They can also be found in under the peeling paint and loose wallpaper, under carpeting near baseboards, in upholstered furniture seams, under light switch plates or electrical outlet. How do they spread? Bedbugs are great hitchhikers. They can move from one place to another place by traveling on clothing, luggage, furniture, bedding, and boxes. Bedbug can crawl about as far as ladybug and can easily travel between floor and room in a hotel or an apartment complexes. Sign of uncleanliness. Bedbugs don't care if their environment is clean or dirty. All they need is a warm host and plenty of hiding places. What are the risk factors? Bedbugs are most common in crowded lodging that experiences high turnover in occupancy, such as apartment complexes, dorm rooms, homeless shelter, hotels, cruise ships, trains and buses, refugee camps. What are the preventing bites? Cover up. Because bedbugs don't tend to burrow under clothing, you may be able to avoid bites by wearing pajamas that cover as much skin as possible. Bug sprays. Insect repelling designed to protect against mosquito or ticks aren't very effective against bed bugs. Mosquito netting. Bed net impregnated with pesticide permethrin may help protect sleeper against bed bugs. However, this practice may be helping bed bugs develop resistance to this pesticide. Preventing infestation. Second-hand item. Inspect used bedding item and upholstered furniture carefully before bringing them into your home. Hotel precaution. Check mattress seam for bed bug excrement and place your luggage on the table or dressers instead of on the floor. Bird and beds. Eliminate